Is it better going just once versus 10 times, 12 times in a row? So we're at Magic Kingdom, and it's Kelly's birthday. So what do you want? A birthday pin. And for this visit, we're actually staying off-site, so we need to go to City Hall to get a birthday pin. Unlike if you stay on Disney property, a lot of times you can just get the button when you check in. So we are off to City Hall.
I think Santa's here.
You think Santa's here? Yeah, they still have the Christmas decorations up.
Elsa's ice cream.
Yeah, so the Sorcerers of Magic Kingdom, they now have an Elsa one. So the kids are super excited to get the Elsa card. So we're off to Adventureland to play. They take these games so seriously, both of them. They're like on a mission.
These minions are closing in. James will explain everything. We'll be counting on you.
We're at Princess Fairy Tale Hall. Who are we going to see?
Rapunzel and Cinderella. Rapunzel and Cinderella.
Rapunzel and Cinderella.
I already said it twice.
I don't get it.
Rapunzel and Cinderella. Rapunzel and I can't, my lips are pointing, I can't even say it.
She wants it.
Wait, over here, princess. A very important question. Can we see Pascal anywhere? Thank you. But in the tower, there were like 40 cars. There's a lot more than 42. Do we have a shy prince over here? Yes. Your friend gets with you, right? No matter how many times you try, they still get you, don't they? Decided to go to Pinocchio's Village Haus. Because, why? Because of that right there. Because the kids get to look outside and watch It's a Small World.
And wave to people.
And wave to the peeps. It's like entertainment. Pictures waving to her entourage.
This guy, I went like this to
Did
this
he wave?
guy. I went like this to the guy who did this back.
He did the princess wave back. That's funny. Or the kids love it here. And we walked right to a spot. It was easy to find a spot today.
What?
I am freezing to death.
I think we may have
I am
to.
freezing to
We
death.
may have to
Skip the electrical.
skip the Main Street Electrical Parade. We can come back another time.
But we can get Starbucks, right?
Starbucks. How many times did you do the mine train on a photo shoot?
12 times.
12 times in a row. That is
And now we got fast passes.
Yep, so we got fast
Yeah.
passes, so they haven't been on it since the photo shoot. So
Well,
we got fast
actually,
passes and we're gonna go ride the mine train. And we got our fast passes.
Nuggets. Kelly said 80 nuggets.
80-minute wait. Hands up.
Hands up.